We are going to solve, student, this 12th problem, mining company, that is 50,000 equity shares. Yes, 50,000 equity shares they have given at rupees 100 each at a premium rupees 10 per share. So on application rupees 20, on allotment rupees 60, on first and final call rupees 30. Yes, all the shares were subscribed. Okay, first of all, your journal entries only we have to pass. So first one, write heading journal entries, date, particulars, LF, debtor rupees, credit rupees. Yes, the first entry for the application is we are going to pass two entries for the application. As you can see, first ಯಾವತ್ತು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ rupees 20 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, on application there will be two entries. Yes, on application rupees 20 ge we will pass two entries. So as you can see here, first entry is bank account debtor to share application account for the money received again. Bank account debtor to share application account. Yes, you write bracket alli been, this is a narration, been share application money received on how many shares? 50,000 shares at rupees 20 per share. Yes, I will tell it once again. The entry is the same for all the problems. Bank account debtor to share application account. Been share application money received on 50,000 shares at rupees 20 per share. 50,000 question alli kottidare, rupees 20 kuda kottidare. Now how to write the amount? Simple. How many shares it is there here? 50,000 into how much? Into 20. Just multiply. When you multiply, you will get, yes, 5 2 is 10. Then how many zeros are there? Yes, so it is 10 lakh, isn't it? 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Correct. Same credit again, entry pass money. Amount you will put 10 lakh. Okay, bank account debtor to share application account. Now second entry for application is you have to transfer it to share capital. Same, remember each share application is in credit alla, this will go to debit. Your mail ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, share application account debtor to equity share capital account. Equity why in the question ಅಲ್ಲಿ equity ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, so you'll write equity to equity share application account. B na share application money transferred to share capital account. B na share application money transferred to share capital account. Okay students, first two entries for the application. Amount in ಬರೆಯೋದು same, e amount what it is there, no, same you will copy and write. See how I'm writing? It is 10 lakh. Same this amount will come here. Then here nothing, here 10 lakh. Yes, okay. First two entries on application ಯಾವತ್ತು it is same for all the problems. That is bank account debtor to share application account. Then share application account debtor to equity share capital account. Yes, equity word I'm writing because it is given. If they have told preference share andre to preference share capital ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Yes, okay. Now we have to pass application ಆಯ್ತು. Now see the question student once again. Yes, as you can see we were solving this mining company. Application two entries we have passed, finished. This is done. ಈಗ allotment, on allotment rupees 60, but as you can see in the bracket there is including premium. So on allotment you have to pass two entries. Allotment again two entries. See, application two entries is done. Allotment another two entries are there, but remember there is premium. Okay, premium idu rate 10 anta helidare. See, allotment rate is 60, adre premium rate is 10. Remember this. Okay, see how I'm solving. So you'll write the entry for the allotment. Entry is same for all the problems. That is share allotment account debtor to equity share capital account to securities premium. Yes, I will tell it once again. Share allotment account debtor to equity. She share capital ge yavudu illi equity barbeku because the question is told on equity. The shares are equity shares. So I will tell it once again. Listen properly. Share allotment account debtor to equity share capital account to securities premium. Securities premium is credited because it is a gain. Yes, gain agide. Gain andre you will always credit it. Yes, to securities premium. Write the narration. B na share allotment money due andre company ge sigbeku innu siglilla, it will receive on how many shares are how much 50,000 shares at a 60 per share. 60 question alli kottidare. share including premium of rupees 10. How you know premium is 10? It is given in the question. Yes, I will tell the entry once again, students. Please listen carefully. Share allotment account debtor to equity share capital account to securities premium. Premium andre always you have to credit it because it is a gain for the company. Yes, yes. Being share allotment money due on how many shares? 50,000 shares at rupees 60 per share, including premium. Your premium is there. Now to write the amount. How to write the amount? See here, students. Share allotment. How many shares are there? Shares eshtu there? 50,000. See, I'm writing 50,000 shares into rate is how much? Allotment rate is very good. It is 60. Isn't it? So when you multiply 6 5s are 30, you'll get it. Yes, 30 lakhs sittade. Okay, 30 lakh. Now see, securities premium in helidare. Shares is how much? 50,000. Isn't it? Premium rate is how much? See here, premium rate is 10. Premium rate 10. You multiply. When you multiply, how much you get? Yes, you'll get here 5 lakh. Correct? 4, 5. Correct. Now, your amount, this and this you minus. How much it will be? 30 lakh minus 5 lakh eshtagtade? Yes, 25 lakh. Isn't it? What did I do? Write entry you write. Share allotment account debtor to equity share capital account to securities premium account. Amount hege, right? Number of shares. 50,000 into your allotment rate is 60. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 60. Yes, into premium ಗೆ rate ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 10. See, premium ಗೆ rate is 10. Multiply ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 25 lakh how I got? 30 lakh minus 5 lakh is 25. Yes, okay. Now the next entry for the allotment. Allotment ಗೆ 2 entries. See, next entry is the amount received on allotment. Bank account debtor to share allotment account. Once again I will tell, bank account debtor to share allotment account. Being share allotment money received on how many shares? Yes, 50,000 shares at rupees 60 per share. Yes, being share allotment money received on how many shares? 50,000 shares at 60 per share. Amount how to write? Don't get confused. Directly amount allotment ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ amount just copy and write. Yes, that is 30 lakh. You will just write allotment time ಅಲ್ಲಿ 30 lakh ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ. Okay, yes. So allotment entry are done. Once again I will just tell students, application ಗೆ 2 entries. First 2 entries are application. ಇದು ಎರಡು entries are for application. Bank account debtor to share application account. Share application account debtor to equity share capital account. Yes, next allotment ಗೆ 2 entries. See here, share allotment account debtor to equity share capital account to securities premium ಇದೆ. Next received ಗೆ always bank ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಿಕ್ತು. Bank account debtor to share allotment account. Yes, okay. Next 2 entries will come again for what? Yes, correct. Next see here, question nodi. Application is done, allotment is done. Now ಏನಿದೆ? On first and final call rupees 30. So you need to pass the entry for first and final call. Okay? Yes, that is rupees 30. So how will you pass? See here. The entry is share first and final call account debtor to equity share capital. Yes, capital account. You write. That is share first and final call account debtor to equity share capital account. Being share first and final call money due andre company ge siktade, it has not received but it will receive in future. On how many shares? Same 50,000 shares at a 30 per share. 30 anta is given in the question. Yes, I will tell the entry once again, students. Share first and final call account debtor to equity share capital account. Being share first and final call money due. This is F, okay? On 50,000 shares at 30 per share. Hege bariyudu amount? It's easy. Shares is how much as? Yes, 50,000, isn't it? 50,000 into rate is what? 30. Just idu multiply maadi ashte. When you multiply by 30, 5 3s are 15, it will give you, yes, it will give you 15 lakh. Okay, same amount you have to credit it. 15 lakh amount first and final call ile. Simple. ಇದು ಎರಡು ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Yes, now next entry for first and final call is for the money received. Bank account debtor to share first and final call account. Entry is bank account debtor to share first and final call account. But students, we will see the adjustment once. Illi ella share money siglilla. See here, all the shares were subscribed and money duly received, with the exception of first and final call on 5,000 shares. So 5,000 shares mele money has not received. See, total shares are how much? 50,000. How many shares money has not received? 5,000. So how many 50,000 minus 5,000? 45,000 shares mele matra sikkide, 5,000 shares mele siglilla anta artha. I will tell it once again, students. See, total our equity shares is 50,000 here, but 5,000 mele siglilla, received with the exception andre on 5,000 shares money has not received. So 50,000 minus 5,000 you do, you'll get 45,000. So only on 45,000 shares money has received. Yes, I hope you understood. Once again, I will just tell you. See, 50,000 shares, equity shares. In that they are telling 5,000 shares money has not received. So how much has received? Yes, 50,000 minus 5,000 you do. That will give you, yes, 45,000 shares mele matra money has received anta. Okay, so the entry amount how to write is, how many shares now? 45,000 into rate is this 30. Multiply. When you multiply, you will get 1,30,000. That is 13,50,000. Okay. Please write the narration. Being a share first and final call money received on a 45,000 shares at rupees 30 per share. Is it clear to you, students? See, 50,000 shares ittu, but 5,000 shares mele money has not received. So how many shares money received? Yes, that means 45,000 shares money received agide anta artha. Okay, it means what, 10 rupees you should get, but on 2 rupees you have not got. How much rupees you have got then? What you'll minus it, no? 10 minus 2, that means only 8 rupees you have got received. 10 rupees you have to receive, in that 2 rupees you did not receive. That means 8 rupees you have received, no? Alva, 10 ರೂಪಾಯಲ್ಲಿ 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ? 8 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. Similarly, 50,000 shares, in that 5,000 shares are not received. So you'll minus it. Okay? Yes, bank account debtor to share first and final call account. Multiply ಮಾಡಿ. Once again, just ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ students. Application ಗೆ first 2 entries ಆಯಿತು. Allotment ಗೆ this one entry and this entry. Yes, share allotment account debtor to equity share capital to securities premium. Next, share first and final call ಗೆ this one entry, then this is the next entry. Yes, okay. Now what we are telling, there is forfeiture. Company are cancelling the shares. See the question anno nodi. See here, the directors forfeited these shares. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. The directors forfeited these shares ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, 5,000 shares. Directors forfeited these share ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is not 50,000 students on the number of shares which did not receive money. ಯಾವ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಫೋರ್ಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫೋರ್ಫಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ shares will be cancelled. I will tell it once again. Directors forfeited these shares. Directors, companies do directors forfeited andre cancelled. Cancelled these shares. These shares andre not this 50,000 alla. ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ 5,000, these shares are cancelled. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ this entry is passed. Remember, very important entry. ಈ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ 3 marks ಇದೆ. Yes, equity share capital account debtor, to forfeited shares account, to share first and final call account. I will tell the entry once again. Equity share capital account debtor, to forfeited shares account, to share first and final call account. Narration: being a forfeiture of 5,000 shares for non-payment of first and final call of 30 per share. Being a forfeiture of how many shares illi? 5,000. Do not write 50,000. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 50,000 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಬೆಲೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡುವುದು. 5,000 shares for the non-payment of a first and final call of 30 per share. See, first and final call ಮೇಲೆ money ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. So this is the entry. How to write the amount? See here carefully, students. Which shares were cancelled? 5,000. Do not write here 50,000. 50,000 alla. right? How many shares ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ 5000 ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. Okay, 5000 into, right here 5000 into, right here 5000 into. Okay, we know share capital rate is 100 always. It is given in the question. Yes, first and final call rate was how much? Just now you have solved the question. Nodi, first and final call is the rate is how much? See, question I have just shown on. See, share capital rate 100. Now I wrote no. First and final call rate is 30, isn't it? See, so that 100 I wrote. First and final call rate is 30. ಈಗ 100 minus 30 ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? Yes, it is 70. Now you multiply. ಇದೆರಡು ಡೆಬಿಟಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ you will get a, yes, 5 lakh. This multiply, see it is credited 2 ಇದೆ, so it will come here. That will come, yes, it is 3,50,000. Correct? Yes. And 5 are 35. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 zeros only. Here 5 3s are 15. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. 1,50,000. ಈಗ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. Did you understand? 5,000 into 5,000 into 5,000. ಯಾವ shares cancelled ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ entry pass ಮಾಡುವುದು. Because it is very clearly told in the question, students. Director forfeited these shares. These ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 5,000. Okay, 5,000. ಈ 50,000 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ 5,000 cancelled share ಮೇಲೆ forfeit ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes, so ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. This is 100. This is given in the question 30. This also given in the question only. Okay, 100 minus 30 ಮಾಡಿ, it will give you 70. Multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕಿ. Yes, finish. Now there is one last sentence. If you can see in the question, see what it is telling. The reissue as fully paid at rupees 70 per share. Reissue ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ these shares 5,000 shares are reissued at rupees 70. 5,000 shares ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಪುನಃ reissue ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಪುನಃ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ at a less price, 70. Yes, actual price was our 100, but company is doing it as 70. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so bank entry is a bank account debtor, forfeited shares account debtor to equity share capital account. I will tell it once again. Bank account debtor, forfeited shares account debtor to equity share capital account. Narration. Been, please write here, been reissue of how many shares? Yes, 5,000 forfeited shares at rupees 70 per share as fully paid up. So reissue agide 5,000 forfeited shares at rupees 70 per share. Amount ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯುವುದು? here easy. How many shares forfeited? Concentrate on this 5,000 only. Okay, right here 5,000 into, right here 5,000 into rate, reissue rate ಏನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತದದು into 70. Okay, here equity share rate, you know, here what you wrote, no, 100, that only for share capital always. See, share capital always 100. See, share capital is always 100 rate, remember, share capital 100. Now 100 minus 70 you do, it will give you 30. Multiply ಮಾಡಿ. When you multiply you will get yes, this much. Correct, no? 3,50,000. Here 1,50,000. Correct? Now you multiply this, you will get here 5 lakh. Isn't it? Yes, amount type. Now last entry for the transfer to the capital reserve. Forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve account. Forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve account. Write this account here, okay? Forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve account. Being a balance in forfeited share account transferred to capital reserve account. Being a balance in a forfeited shares account transferred to capital reserve account. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯುವುದು? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ forfeiture amount is there, no? 3,50,000. This minus next entry forfeited, ಇದು ಎರಡು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇದು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಇದು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. I will tell, okay, don't worry. 3,50,000 minus 1,50,000 ಮಾಡು. When you minus, you will get 2 lakh. I will tell it once again, don't want to worry. See, in the 7th entry, 2 forfeited shares, here you have written 3,50,000, isn't it? So E amount minus forfeited entry, again where it is, see here, forfeited shares. It is in the debit side. See, this was in the credit side, credit balance, minus idu illi the debit balance of forfeited shares, what you have written. So adu minus madidre 2 lakh. 2 lakh you have to transfer it to capital reserve. Okay, I will just tell students. See, applications, there are 2 entries. Application ige 2 entry ide, bank account debtor to share application account, then share application to equity share capital. Allotment ige again 2 entries, share allotment, equity share capital to securities premium. Received ige bank account debtor to share allotment. First and final call ige again 2 entries, as you can see, share first and final call to equity share capital, bank account debtor to share first and final call. Yes, next forfeiture ige idu entry, equity share capital account debtor to forfeited share account to share first and final call. Reissue again bank account debtor, forfeited share account debtor to equity share capital account. Last for the transfer of capital reserve, idu one entry. So all these 9 entries come for compulsory, same problems, same entries for 12 marks. Thank you.